Welcome back. Residents of Bamboli are upset with Panchayat authorities. They complain that some residences and commercial establishments release wastewater through a drain which is meant for rainwater. This drain passes through residential areas and it gives out filthy sting and is now becoming a breeding place for mosquitoes. Residents of Santa Cruz have sternly opposed wastewater being let out through the drain.
Have a look at this rainwater drain. Wastewater is being released through this drain.
What you see over here is the water, which is basically all the waste water that is coming up from the illegal hutments on top over there, which have actually started all commercial activities. You have restaurants. I don't know if they have got any FDA licenses, if they got any health clearances, but this water, this sewage water is creating a huge problem in Santa Cruz. We already have some cases of dengue and malaria. The Panchayat is doing nothing about it.
Residents blame the Panchayat for turning a blind eye to the menace.
There is sewage water flowing into the public drain, and so on inspection I found out that water was being released by the restaurants right at the Bamboli Plateau, just next GMC complex. And on further investigation I found that this water was really black and full of septic waste. To add to it, it's flowing almost a kilometer away from the site. I made a letter to the Sarpanch. I called upon him, and he said, like, we have made several. There are people who have made several complaints with regard to the same. So I asked him what action he's going to be taking. So there was no positive reply until date. Almost about 2 months now since we have highlighted the issue. There's nothing happening.
We have found out the sewage water also is coming in the drain, and it is becoming a breeding ground for mosquitoes, and is creating this stinking smell, and it is a danger for creating malaria and other dengue diseases.
It was also informed that despite of several representations, no action was initiated by the authorities. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Farm labourer's daughter, 14-year-old Purna, has become the youngest woman to conquer Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. A tribal girl from Andhra Pradesh wants to be an IPS officer. New Zealander Edmund Hillary and his Sherpa guide Tenzing Norgay were the first people to climb Mount Everest on May 29, 1953. And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.